Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing a fast lens and a bright aperture. This creates shallow depth of field quickly. Mount the camera, set aperture priority or manual, then pick f/1, 8 or wider to blur. Once done, lower ISO and adjust shutter speed so exposure stays clean. Make sure the subject sits several meters from the background and that small point lights are placed behind them. This arrangement is the core. Why it works is simple. Narrow focus plane plus distant, bright points equals visible bokeh. Now you refine how those lights render. Focus carefully on the subject, then slightly defocus to let background point lights expand into disks. This is how you turn lights into bokeh. If you want specific shapes, cut a simple shape into black card and hold it over the lens. This alters the aperture outline and shapes highlights. Make sure to test different focal lengths and distances. Longer focal lengths amplify blur, and increased separation between subject and lights make circles larger and creamier. Finish by confirming exposure and sharp subject detail. Use a tripod if shutter speed drops too low. Review images and vary distance, focal length, and light size to get the exact bokeh quality you want. If highlights look polygonal or harsh, your aperture blades or mask shape are the cause. Switch to a wider aperture or a cleaner mask. One key troubleshooting tip. If bokeh is weak, open aperture, move the subject closer to the camera, or increase the brightness of background point lights.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.